Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I'm your host P5, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kid That. You already know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go around camera, come back in camera, I'm gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. Let's do it. I'm in. Alright guys, I'm back in. You get me? You see what we're doing here? I'm gonna give you the little twirl RJ to the twirl, little RJ to the twirl, and let's get into it. Alright my beautiful people, it's been a while, I hope you're well, the weather's out, we're good, we're back and we're back. And as it's a little bit cold, I thought I'd show you something a little bit toasty, a little bit warm. Okay, so this is something that I just picked up from Uniqlo the other day. They've got a really nice sale on, and yeah, they got some really nice bits that are worth picking up. So this is a collaboration with Mountaineering, and I'll show you the label. Anyway, let's get into it. We'll start from where we like to start. There's my waist, and it comes quite further down from the waist. I bought this in an XXL, so it's oversized. This is really just a little oversized little fleece kind of thing that I picked up for picking up sake. Okay, so let's look into it. If we look at the zip, start from the zip strip all the way over there, as you can see. Really nice. It's like a really wide zip strip. You've got that sort of brownie bit, and then you've got the white or cream zip going through the middle. Really nice. Goes all the way to the roof of the neck, I would say. Roof of the neck, as you can see right there. Step back. Okay, so left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium, same beautiful thing. Put your hands in there, put your hands in there. You can put your family in here, you can put your family in here. If you want to go on holiday and take the whole gang, left hand side put one side of the family, right hand side put the other side of the family. They don't have to mix and mingle. Super nice, really nice. Let me just give you a little look at that pocket right there. You see you got that little trim there, really nice, feels warm, super dope. Okay, what else do we have? We have left hand side, right hand side. Equilibrium is not a beautiful thing because on the left hand side we have this zipped pocket right there. Really dope, really dope. As you can see, put your hand in, super nice. You can put a couple bars of gold in there, maybe a pair of skis when you're skiing down the Alpines. Super nice. Of course, you know what we love on a garment, a hood. So let's have a look at what the hood's saying. Really nice, really soft. If you tappity tap, obviously it's a fleece, it's not going to be ideal, but really super nice and, you know, just warm and cozy. Let me give you the back bit so you can see. Super nice, guys. Love it. Makes me feel toasty, makes me feel like a Care Bear. I would be I don't care bear. Bam. Anyway, really nice. Of course, you got a bit of micro pile kind of feeling on this, whereas this bit is a bit more fleecy, as you can see. Really nice. Again, I think I picked up this for £20. It was on sale for maybe 70, something like that. It's still out there now, so go have a look. Really, really nice piece, and we love a sale. So there you go, there's the label right there, White Mountaineering. They're a label, I think they might be German, check them out. And of course they've done this collab with Uniqlo. Really nice. You can see the fleece right there, feels as soft as it looks. Super nice. Of course in the inside you got the little bits of labeling and blah blah. All good, you know what I mean? Yeah, that is it really, guys. This has been a Uniqlo / White Mountaineering fleece top, and again I got this in the sale. Really nice. My daughter's probably going to take this off my hands and just wear it around the house, but yeah guys, stay dope, stay fly. As always, I love doing these videos, so good to be back out. The sun's shining. I hope you guys are well, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Stay dope, stay fly, and this is being Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I've been your host P5, aka P is for police terrible, and yeah guys, stay dope. Peace.